Every piece of produce is different, but fresh produce is still fresh produce. Like this apple. From the land to your hand, an apple goes through a lot. And no matter what happens along the way, it still contains all the goodness of an apple. It still feels like an apple, tastes like an apple, and even if it looks a little different, it still has fiber, potassium, and calcium. You can still bite it, juice it, bake it, or turn it into something special. So there's no reason for this fresh food to be wasted. Learn more about what we're doing to end food waste at Kroger.com/CHCW.